Come test drive the 2024 X3. BMW X3 builds on the success of the original by developing its core competencies while adding new technology to establish new benchmarks for agility, efficiency, and comfort. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, remote engine start, power liftgate, brake assist, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.